Want to game on your PS5 and instantly switch to PC audio without swapping headsets or messing with settings? Let's make that happen. First, plug your Astro A50 base station into your PS5 using the USB cable for power and audio. Make sure the switch on the back of the base station is set to PlayStation. Now, take the HDMI adapter included with your Astro A50 and plug it into your PS5's HDMI port, and then connect the HDMI cable from your TV to the other end of the adapter. This allows the adapter to extract the audio from the HDMI signal. Connect the optical cable from the adapter to the optical port on the Astro A50 base station. This is crucial for PS5 audio. Grab another USB cable and connect the Astro A50 base station directly to your PC. On your PC, go to Sound Settings. Ensure that the Astro A50 is selected as both your default playback and recording device. Open the Astro Command Center software. Here you can customize EQ settings and microphone levels for both your PS5 and PC audio, but make sure the settings are to the desired input. And that's it. Now you can hear audio from both your PS5 and PC simultaneously, allowing you to switch between gaming and other content seamlessly. Enjoy!